My Daddy and Mommy's Kitchen is a gentle picture book for children and adults who believe that cooking is the warm breath of a home, and that love grows best in the kitchen. By Jingyi Sun, bilingual and bicultural author, founder of JINGYIMAMA, and creator of soul allegory literature. My mother was born in China, and my father was born in the United States. My mom is Chinese American, and my dad's is a mix of Polish, Irish, and English. I weigh in the 90th percentile, according to my pediatrician, thanks to the rich food in my family's kitchen. Every day feels like an international food festival at home. For example, my breakfast consists of a mini bagel, lunch is a Chinese beef stew, and dinner is salmon with a cream dill sauce. This is the food competition they rival and unite. Mom's Tianjin Lao Mian versus Dad's Italian pasta. Mom's Tianjin dumplings versus Dad's Polish pierogi. Mom's Tianjin beef ball soup versus Dad's Italian meatballs. Mom's fried rice versus Dad's garlic bread. Mom's salty and peppered turkey versus Dad's turkey melt sandwich. Mom's scallion pancake versus Dad's pizza. Mommy's big bread with everything versus Daddy's homemade tacos. It is said that food takes time and is cooked with love. My mom and dad love me very much, and I love them too.